you really frustrated and feeling the pain of not using the day very productive? I don't want you to feel the same pain again in 2024. Hey, I'm Chinna here. Welcome to 23rd day challenge of my video. I have a hack to make the day very productive. If you follow the simple 3 tasks as your morning first routine as soon as you wake up. Task number 1, doing prayer or meditation for 10 minutes. Task 2, exercise, taking care of your body by doing great jogging or any exercise for 10 minutes. Activity 3, reading great self-help books. The famous saying says all the great leaders are readers. Follow these 3 tasks as your first morning routine for 30 days, spending 30 minutes, dividing into 3, 10, 10, 10. Meditation, exercise and reading. If you follow these 3 activities for 30 days, your life will be transformed. You will feel so amazing. You are doing great productive for each and every day, and you will not be the same person again after 30 days. Share this great hack to your friends and family, which will be useful for them. See you tomorrow on 24th day challenge. Till then, stay happy and healthy.